Let's take a look at a few of the options that are available when we're working with viewports in AutoCAD. First of all, I do not want my viewports to print. So with that in mind, I'm going to make sure I put them into a layer by themselves so I can control how they print. So I'll simply select all viewports and change them into the viewports layer. And hopefully you're thinking that if I freeze or turn off the viewports layer, then they will not print. And that's definitely true, so I can choose one of those options. Let's say I freeze the viewports, and I can no longer see them, so of course they will no longer print. One of the things that I dislike about that is that I cannot actually select the viewports. So if I want to change their scale, or move them around, or manipulate them in another manner, I can't do that. So I'm going to thaw the viewports layer back out, and instead we'll see that the viewports layer is actually not going to print anyways. If I select my layer properties manager and take a look at my layer list, I can see my viewports layer and I can see the plot column, and here you can see the little red circle and line through the printer. So basically, if you want a layer to not print, all you do is click the little printer logo and anything drawn on that layer will not print. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure that you don't accidentally draw any text or dimensions or anything else like that on the viewports layer, because they will not print. So if we want to double check this, I can do a quick print preview, and we should see that these viewports, while I can see them on screen, will not actually print. And there you can see that those lines will definitely not print. So again, that is my preferred method of dealing with viewports, so that I can still select them and manipulate them. Again, maybe change their scale, maybe lock them, but I know that they will not print.